Imagine the power to design life itself. Welcome to the frontier of synthetic biology, where engineering fuses with biology to create new systems and functions. This isn't a sci-fi movie plot, it's the reality of the 21st century. Through synthetic biology, we're not just understanding life's blueprint, we're rewriting it. Scientists are already reprogramming bacteria to produce biofuels and even cure diseases. Sounds like magic, right? But it's pure science. Our tools, DNA sequences designed on computers, then printed and inserted into organisms. The goal? To tackle some of the world's biggest challenges in health, environment, and energy. So why is this important? Because synthetic biology could revolutionize our lives and reshape our future. It's time to embrace the possibilities. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us on this exciting journey through the cutting edge of science. The future is being written in the language of life, and it's more thrilling than ever.